Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to unfollow a lot of people on Instagram. So for you to do this, basically you can't do this because Instagram gives you a limit of unfollowing 200 people per hour. So after you've unfollowed 200 people, you wait for 1 hour and then you can unfollow another 200 people. How do you unfollow people on Instagram? So when you click on your Instagram app, you click on the last app profile icon below. After clicking on it, to lead you to your profile page, and then you click on following. After clicking on following, you see the list of people you are following on Instagram, and for you to unfollow them, you just click on unfollow, unfollow, and unfollow by clicking the following section actually. So that's how to unfollow people. You can do this 200 people per hour, and that's how you mass unfollow people on Instagram. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.